Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Bitaxe Gamma. First, connect the dedicated 5-volt power adapter to your Bitaxe Gamma miner. Plug the other end into a suitable wall outlet, ensuring a stable power supply. Before powering on, confirm the screen is securely attached. Once powered, the device will boot up, and its screen will display a unique Wi-Fi network name, like Bitaxe XXXX, indicating it's ready for the next step. Next, let's get your Bitaxe Gamma connected to your home network. Using your computer or smartphone, connect to the Wi-Fi network broadcast by your Bitaxe, typically named Bitaxe XXXX. Once connected, open a web browser and enter the IP address displayed on the miner's screen to access the AX OS setup page. Here, you will input your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network name and password, then save and restart the device. Now, let's configure your mining pool. After your Bitaxe restarts and connects to your home Wi-Fi, access the AX OS web interface again using its new IP address. Navigate to the Pool Settings tab. Here, you'll enter the Stratum URL for your chosen Bitcoin mining pool and your Bitcoin wallet address, which typically starts with BC, 1, or 0. You can also adjust settings like frequency and core voltage for optimal performance. Then save and restart. With your Bitaxe Gamma now mining, it's crucial to monitor its operation. The web interface and the miner's OLED screen display real-time statistics such as hash rate, temperature, and power consumption, which is typically around 18 watts. The integrated 5-volt fan provides essential cooling, ensure it's functioning correctly. For advanced users, overclocking can boost performance, potentially reaching over 1.8 terahashes per second, but always prioritize good heat dissipation to maintain stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.